Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long steam artwork. First, you'll need to prepare your image. Ensure its width is exactly 1003 pixels. This specific dimension is crucial for proper display. Next, divide your image into 3 distinct sections. The central artwork area should be 506 pixels in height, while the 2 side sections will each be 302 pixels wide. This precise setup ensures your artwork fits perfectly within Steam Showcase. Now, let's slice your artwork using your preferred image editor. You'll create 3 separate image files from your prepared canvas. The main artwork piece will be a perfect square, measuring 506 pixels by 506 pixels. For the 2 side sections, each should be 302 pixels wide and 113 pixels tall. Saving these as individual files is essential for the next steps in uploading them to Steam. With your artwork sliced, it's time to upload them to your Steam profile. Head over to your profile and find the artwork section. Begin by uploading your main artwork piece. It's important to mark this as non-game specific. Then, upload your 2 side pieces, applying the same non-game specific tag. Finally, ensure all uploaded artwork is set to public visibility so everyone can admire your extended showcase. To display your impressive long artwork, navigate back to your Steam profile and click on Edit Profile. From the profile settings, you'll want to select the Featured Showcase option. Within this section, choose the Artwork Showcase. Here, you can arrange your recently uploaded artwork pieces in the correct sequence. This final step brings your custom, extended Steam artwork to life, making your profile truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.